Hi everyone! Today we are making a crystal ornament for the upcoming holiday with my Druzy ornament mold design. I use purple pigment paste and a tiny bit of black resin dye to mix a deep purple shade in the first cup. And in the second cup, I mix just a pinch of silver glitter with clear resin. It's totally optional to add glitter as the mold itself is already sparkly. Before I pour resin in the mold, I spray with 91% rubbing alcohol to wet the mold first, as this helps resin spread better on the mold surface. Then I start pouring the purple resin around the edge of the mold, and finally the glitter resin in the middle. At this point, I realized I didn't have enough resin to fill up the mold, so I added a little clear resin in the middle as well. At the end, I spray alcohol again to burst the bubbles that rise to the surface. And check out the result the next day. I use clear resin for this ornament as I think it will be very sparkly on the tree in front of all the lights. I hope you enjoy this pouring process and will give it a try. Thank you everyone for watching.